Washington, D.C. and Baltimore metro areas, and for southern Maryland through 9 a.m. Steady light snow will taper off during the mid-morning and impact the morning commute. A small craft advisory is in effect today for the waters. The small craft advisory continues tonight for the Maryland, Chesapeake Bay and lower tidal Potomac River. Days 2 through 7, Friday through Wednesday. Low pressure crossing the mid-Atlantic Friday will produce light snowfall accumulations across the area in the afternoon and evening. A small craft advisory may be necessary Friday night and Saturday. Gale conditions will be possible over portions of the lower Maryland Bay Saturday afternoon. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Snowfall reports would be appreciated this morning. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries north of North Beach. Today, north winds 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Waves 3 feet. Snow this morning with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Friday, west winds 5 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot. Snow. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Friday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Snow. Saturday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 foot, building to 2 to 3 feet in the afternoon and evening, then subsiding to 1 feet after midnight. Sunday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Monday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of rain. The next 2 high tides for Baltimore Harbor at Fort McHenry will be at 5:21 this evening and again at 4:59 Friday morning. The next 2 high tides at the Thomas Point Lighthouse will be at 3:25 this afternoon and again at 3:03 Friday morning. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 5:33 a.m. Light snow could result in slick travel conditions this morning. Look for light snow to fall across portions of northeast Maryland, central Delaware and Cape May County, New Jersey into the mid-morning hours. In general, accumulations will average under an inch. Since temperatures are well below the freezing mark, any snow that fall will accumulate on roads, sidewalks and parking lots. This will result in slick travel conditions for the early morning hours and could continue through the morning commute. If you plan to travel this morning, be on the alert for slick travel conditions and snow. Be sure to leave yourself enough extra time to reach your destination safely. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Carroll, Frederick, Howard, Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Prince George's and Southern Baltimore, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington, Falls Church and Alexandria, Fairfax, Loudoun, Northern Fauquier, Prince William including Manassas Park and Southern Fauquier. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Precipitation type, snow accumulations, around an inch. Timing, light snow early this morning will taper off toward the end of the morning rush. Temperatures, upper teens and lower 20s. Winds, northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour becoming north 10 to 20 miles per hour by mid-morning. Impacts, roads, even highways, will be snow-covered and slippery during the morning rush. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Calvert, Charles and St. Mary's, and the following counties in Virginia, King George, Spotsylvania and Stafford. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Precipitation type, snow accumulations, 1 to 3 inches. Timing, steady light to occasionally moderate snow early this morning will taper off in the mid-morning. Temperatures, lower 20s. Winds, northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour becoming north 10 to 20 miles per hour by mid-morning. Impacts, roads, even highways, will be snow-covered and slippery through the morning rush. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving.
The 7 a.m. observation in Baltimore. At